a leak on the side of the road interest you?
Yes, it would. He's taking a 10-100.
Well, at least it's betting a 10-200.
Smokey.
Smokey.
Running block here for 400 cases of illegal brews.
Holy shit!
Oh, man. I don't believe this. Funny, I don't remember that turn.
Bandit, where the hell are you?
I'll be back on the highway in a second.
All right, good buddy. I'll keep my eyes peeled.
And, what's your 20?
My handle's Smokey Bear, and I'm tail-grabbing your ass right now.
God damn, that's a Texas Mountie. What the hell's he doing in Arkansas?
I don't know.
Well, let's just see what he's got under the hood.
Bye-bye, baby.
You smoke much?
I just started.
Cletus, you got your ears on, son.
Oh, bring it on, you lucky devil.
Coming around you.
Oh, all right. Look, be careful. You're going to have to make your own lane, buddy, because you definitely got some oncoming traffic. Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, my God! I'm about to be killed in this moving CB radio show, and I don't even have a handle.
You want a handle? Okay, I'll think one up for you. Just a minute here. Let's see. Oh, I got one for you.
What?
Just give me a minute here.
You're doing good, didn't you, Fred?
What?
Frog.
Why?
Because you're always hopping around. And you're kind of cute like a frog, and I'd like to jump you.
Nobody makes Sheriff Buford T. Justice look like a possum's pecker.
Except for that...
Your ass.
Break for that Bandit one. Break for that Bandit one.
Yeah, Snowman, come on back.
There was a Texas bubblegum machine on your back door.
A Texas bubblegum machine?
Yeah, I saw him.
Boss, you ain't gonna believe this, but that crazy somebody's just trying to drive right up under my truck.
What's a Texas County Mountie doing in Arkansas?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, who the hell knows?
I really don't know. What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.